If you're choosing between SimpleLogin and AnonAddy, this isn't just email alias service versus email alias service. It's ease of use versus maximum control. So which one actually protects your email address better? Let's break it down. SimpleLogin is one of the most popular email masking services available today. It lets you create aliases that forward messages to your real inbox, so websites never see your actual email address. It's also owned by Proton, which makes it especially appealing to privacy-focused users already using Proton Mail. But here's the catch: some advanced features and customization options are more limited compared to AnonAddy. AnonAddy takes a more technical approach. It offers highly flexible alias management, custom domains, bandwidth controls, and detailed routing options. Power users love it because it gives you more control over how aliases are created and managed. The downside is that the interface can feel less polished and slightly more intimidating for beginners. So which one protects your email address better? Choose SimpleLogin if you want easy setup, great usability, and seamless integration with Proton's ecosystem. Choose AnonAddy if you want advanced alias management and maximum control over your privacy setup. Bottom line, when it comes to pure privacy, both services protect your real email address extremely well. For most people, SimpleLogin is the better choice because it's easier to use and maintain. But if you're a power user who wants fine-grained control over aliases, routing, and domains, AnonAddy may actually be the stronger option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.